Truth be told, if anybody was ever wondering, this is why I live in Colorado. There is nothing in the world more peaceful to me than waking up in the morning to snow. If only we had a fireplace. Who buys a house? Of course, we're asking this 9 years later. Who buys a house in Colorado that does not have a fireplace? Us. And we're not allowed to put a wood-burning fireplace because, you know, the ozone and the brown cloud and the pollution of the smoke. So we are going to have to find a gas fireplace, but that just sounds great to me because then you sit down remote. That would be great. So anybody selling one for cheap that's modern looking, let me know because I really could use one. Really badly. We haven't had one. And we need a fireplace to make it truly cozy. Look. Goodness sakes. Gonna be boarding soon, Katie. She's my total shredder. Crazy, insane girl on a snowboard. She can do anything. She got rushed down from the mountain last year in an ambulance. She's crazy. This is them getting ready. You excited?
No, not unless you give me a cinnamon roll.
Flooding down the snow. How much snow do you think is down there?
A lot. A whole bunch. Can I please have a cinnamon roll?
Nope.
Yes. Yes. She said yes!
I didn't.
Go. Just that piece.
Brody, no.
A bite?
No.
A bite of this piece?
No.
A sniff of this piece?
He's trained well, but he's extremely perseverant. Is that what the word I'm looking for? It'll serve him well when he's getting a job or when he is pleading not guilty to some crime.
But I would have done that crime.
I love Mommy so much.
No.
Please?
No,
Just
no.
one bite. Just.
No.
What if I did it? What'd you do? It's so cold. What if I took a bite?
I would be very disappointed.
I could do with that.
He's so funny.
Piece broke.
Okay, bye. On their way to kayak, I'm coming to take pictures today, just for the heck of it. They're tired of getting in and out of the river to set the camera up so that we can have pictures. It's freezing degrees. Hi, Dan, I see you in the mirror. It's freezing degrees. Since I'm homeschooling you, you have to talk smart.
You were saying that. I never said that. I said it's freezing.
You said degrees right after freezing.
No, I didn't. I did not say that. I said it's
Didn't
freezing.
you hear him?
I heard somebody say freezing degrees.
I said it's freezing.
It was you, wasn't it?
I said it's freezing.
Me?
And then you start saying it's freezing degrees.
No.
That was you who was saying it's freezing
Like,
degrees.
I've got a serious issue with Katie because she always says, tooken.
We're gonna
I
roll.
already tooken the test. No. I'm teaching you now. You have to say, I have taken the test. In that
roll
type
up,
of
and we're
voice.
gonna come up. When we roll up, we're gonna be ice cubes.
I've taken the test.
We're gonna be frozen, then we won't even be able to paddle.
Yeah, I think we need to even adopt an English accent now that we are, now that we're being homeschooled. I think we need to, we all need to talk.
Stay not.
With some British.
Stay not
Jolly
in thy
kayaking
room.
now.
Stay not in thy room. There we go. We'll do some old English as well. I'm looking forward to seeing like icicles hanging off of Dan's beard. There's a Lincoln right there. I wouldn't mind getting that car, Dan. It's only $18,000. It's a Lincoln. I really like the Lincoln Navigator.
Dost thou kayak in the snow?
Dost thou?
Thou shalt kayak.
Look at the skate park. Yep, it's
Thou shalt not wimp out.
run about the streets.
Thou shalt not run about in the streets. Old ladies.
I do say, old chap.
That's what we do.
Daddy,
Right
you
in
had
the
a
car.
stupid idea. Daddy told us to put chapstick on our noses, and then our nose plugs wouldn't stay on.
Dan was a little worried about hypothermia the other day, and he thought, you know, let's just protect. Like, you know, that's what you do when you're snowboarding. You put stuff on your face, sunscreen, and then stuff all around here, depending on how cold it is, and under your nose and stuff like that, and where you're not where you're kayaking, where you're snowboarding. And they did that to get in the river. So the nose plugs just kept going. Nobody missed a roll though. We live up there. Brought the wool blanket. We're gonna be toasty. Do you have a little kayak? He's
Like my aim! Like my aim! I dodged that one.
that was good aim. Oh. Do you see those icicles on his kayak?
Could you grab one? Could you grab one for me?
Hubba.
Hubba, 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 hubba,
Hubba, hubba, hubba. Hubba, hubba, hubba. Okay, they're throwing snowballs in the river and they're not melting. See that? Can you see?
die.
Okay, Tristan. They're gonna die.
They almost died.
They almost died.
We are gonna die. Not almost. I have to go to the bathroom. Go kayaking. No, you don't. You won't let me.
I don't want you in there. You're 8.
Day 14 of our first descents challenge.
Day
17. Good riddance, Tim. Take the camera off.
He's off. Good riddance to Brody. He was a mighty, mighty boy. I won't show you. Nudist! We've got a nudist colony developing in the back. That is a hot dry top.
Someone's calling Dan.
That is sweet. I love it. Yeah. It's mine. Haven't seen Brody or Kenny yet. Who knows where they may be? That's great if he was cold. He said no. Really? What's the kid doing? Callie, look at Brody's boat. Yeah! You can see totally see your breath.